All right. More parts came in for Kyle's Camaro. We got the other upper control arm. I almost said module. So, I don't know. And we got the AC switch.
Blower motor switch.
Ooh.
Nice.
That is nice.
Old Air products. They have the best stuff.
Okay.
All right.
So,
Hot damn.
I'm going to take a quick break. And when I get back, I'll put that stuff in the trunk. Yeah. And then that.
I'm gonna go over the. I'll go. Maybe you and I will go over the list, see if we have everything or not.
That sounds good. I like that idea.
We can get this out, get the V-dub done, and then start on his front end.
That'd be nice.
Knock that out.
Yeah, buddy. That sounds like a good week to me.
We talked, him and I. We're gonna do the wheels. We're gonna order them next week.
Okay. Cool. Good. Because I like to see that car correct.
Yeah.
But all right, Kyle. Well, that's your update right now.